Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to leave a group on Instagram. Whether you're looking to declutter your messages or simply want to step back from a conversation, this process is straightforward. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account from which you want to leave the group. Once you're on the home screen, look for the messages icon located at the top right corner of the page. This icon resembles a paper airplane and will take you to your direct messages. Next, you'll need to find the group chat you want to leave. Scroll through your messages until you locate the group chat. Once you found it, tap on it to open the conversation. Now that you're in the group chat, look for the group name at the top of the screen. Tap on it to access more options related to this group. Here, you'll see a list of all the members participating in the conversation. Scroll down until you see the option that says Leave Chat. This is your way out. Tap on it, and a confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you're sure you want to leave. Finally, confirm your decision by tapping Leave in the pop-up. Once you do this, you'll be removed from the group chat immediately. You won't receive any further messages from that group, and your name will no longer appear among its members. It's important to note that when you leave a group, other members won't receive a notification about your departure. This keeps your exit discreet and allows you to maintain your privacy. In summary, leaving a group on Instagram is as simple as opening the app, navigating to your messages, selecting the group chat, tapping on the group name, choosing Leave Chat, and confirming your choice. Now you can manage your Instagram experience more comfortably. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might also want to learn how to manage their Instagram groups better. Happy Instagramming!